The electric brain. A shocking truth. Your brain is amazing. It helps you think, learn, and feel. But did you know your brain is also electric? It's true. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. This electrical activity is essential for everything your brain does. It's how your brain cells talk to each other. Without electricity, your brain wouldn't work. Think of your brain as a vast network of interconnected wires, like the circuitry in a computer, but far more intricate and powerful. Each thought, every sensation, and all your actions are the result of tiny electrical impulses zipping through this incredible network. Pretty cool, right? Let's dive in and explore how this electrical marvel works. Neurons, tiny messengers, big power. Your brain has billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons are like tiny messengers that send electrical signals to each other. These signals are how different parts of your brain communicate. Imagine neurons as tiny relay racers, each passing a baton of electrical energy to the next. This electrical energy, known as a nerve impulse, travels down a long, thin fiber called an axon, which extends from the neuron's body like a wire. When the impulse reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cross a tiny gap, called a synapse, and bind to receptors on the next neuron. This binding action triggers a new electrical impulse in the receiving neuron, continuing the relay race of information throughout your brain. This complex dance of electrical and chemical signaling happens incredibly fast, allowing your brain to process information and react to the world around you in real time. Brainwaves, your thoughts in action. These electrical signals in your brain create brainwaves. Brainwaves are like the rhythm of your brain. They change depending on what you're doing. When you're awake and alert, your brainwaves are fast and irregular. When you're asleep, your brainwaves slow down. Scientists can even measure these brainwaves using a special machine called an EEG. Imagine a symphony orchestra with different instruments playing together to create a harmonious melody. Similarly, different brainwave patterns like alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves represent the coordinated activity of billions of neurons working in sync. These brainwave patterns reflect your mental state, from focused attention to deep sleep, revealing the dynamic symphony of electrical activity constantly playing within your mind. Section 4. Measuring the mind, EEGs, and brainwaves in action. Scientists use a technique called electroencephalography, or EEG, to measure these fascinating electrical signals. An EEG is a non-invasive procedure that uses electrodes placed on the scalp to detect and record the brain's electrical activity. The EEG machine then amplifies these tiny electrical signals and displays them as wavy lines on a screen, creating a visual representation of your brainwaves. Doctors use EEGs to diagnose various neurological conditions, such as epilepsy, sleep disorders, and brain injuries, providing valuable insights into the brain's electrical symphony. By studying these brainwave patterns, researchers can gain a deeper understanding of how our brains function, both in sickness and in health. Section 5. The future is electric, unlocking the brain's secrets. Understanding how the brain generates electricity is crucial for developing new treatments for brain disorders. For example, scientists are exploring ways to use electrical stimulation to treat conditions like Parkinson's disease and depression. Imagine a future where we can directly interact with the brain using sophisticated brain-computer interfaces. This technology could revolutionize how we communicate, learn, and even experience the world around us, opening up a realm of possibilities for those with disabilities and expanding the horizons of human potential. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the brain's electrical language, we unlock the secrets to enhancing brain health and unlocking the full potential of this extraordinary organ. Section 6. A final spark. The brain's unending mystery. The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe. We're only beginning to understand how it works. The discovery that our brains generate electricity was a major breakthrough, but even with all we know, the brain remains an enigma, full of wonder and untapped potential. Every thought, every dream, every memory is a testament to the brain's remarkable electrical symphony. So next time you switch on a light, remember the incredible electrical power within your own skull. Your brain is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature, a reminder that the most remarkable discoveries often lie within us.